Hey guys, it's Marcus from Diecast World channel, and today this video is dedicated to show you finally we get new camera so we can make video in next level, maybe 4K. So I'm so excited. I built new studio as well behind me, so there be new looks for the cars, for reviews, for unboxing. So it's time to show you some new things what I buy. I hope you enjoy, and let's do it! The new wooden case from my diecast cars, most of Hot Wheels. If you see, I've got one foam case display what I make myself. I just unboxing one because I ordered two, this wooden one, but I leave the second one to show you, and it's very nice. You can see it's not, I think you can buy on eBay or any other site. So I have as well here the plastic one with the dust cover, and I put the LEDs so we can get the extra lights for them, and they looks really nice. I can just take out the cover so you can see all the cars. They looks really nice. You can order black on white and glue this strip. So, but today we are focusing to unboxing this one. Everything is covered in bubble wrap. The standard one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 a row, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 60 cars you can put on just one display, so it's really good. Dimension is, of course, we talk about the 1/64 scale cars, so we got like 9 centimeters length, 4 centimeters high. The total height of the cabinet is 46.8 centimeters and length is 58.6 centimeters, so it's quite a lot. Now I'll be setting the case to the board to use the screws. I'll be using the impact, but you can use as well the screwdriver to do that themselves. So this is how they looks. 2 screws on the wall, and now we can start fill up the cars. So if you see, they looks really nice to put them on the box. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's the first type of this content of video on this channel. I hope you like them and you want to see the more content doing like that. So please leave like, subscribe, and don't forget make the comment. Take care and see you in next video.
Let it go.